our band is Souphie and the Kitty Cats. See what I did there?
You see what she did there? I mean, we agreed to play a little stupid song, but now she's changing the name of the band and making us wear those cat suits.
Cat suits.
Daddy, please.
Okay, enough. Now, Souphie, look, what Corey did to you was wrong, but now you're taking advantage of him, and that's wrong too.
Whoa. Chef V, those are some serious nuggets of wisdom.
Thank you, Newt. Kids, look, sometimes you can't always have things your own way. Sometimes you have to give in to the other person.
Yeah, I hear you, Dad.
Yeah, me too. You're right, Chef.
The bottom line is, if we're gonna do the show, we know what we gotta do, right?
So you're going to be closing the show, but before you do, let me make one teeny tiny suggestion, and I say this with all the respect that your office deserves. Don't do it.
Sam, why don't you want me to do my bird calls?
It was always my dream to bring bird calls out of the shadows and into the light.
I feel like I've touched a nerve.
Yes, a raw one, sir. See, while all my friends were listening to their Bruce Springfield, I was in my room practicing my bird calls. Name is state, sir.
Jealousy?
Yes, I am jealous. Here's a chance to show the world how cool bird calls really are, and sir, you're just not that good.
Really? Well, Sam, would you like to go on in my place?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, not gonna happen. All right, I gotta go introduce the next act. Natasha Heflin, my fellow Americans. Fantastic. Not only does she play the violin, but she's an avid reader. And now a reader who's very close to my heart, my daughter Souphie and her kitty cat.
Hey, where's Souphie?
She's getting into costume. Just vamp till she comes out.
All right, y'all. Let's do this.
This is definitely worse than the Macarena.
My name's Fluffy.
What the heck are you wearing?
What the heck are you wearing? I thought we were gonna be kitty cats.
I thought you wanted us to go.
I did. I was just trying to give in so I could give you what you wanted.
But I was trying to give in to you so you could have what you wanted.
Girl, Rachel, I have no.
We're on TV.
Jimmy. What's going on, y'all? Hey, how y'all doing? Ooh, we'll be right back. Yep, read a book or something. Hey, fluffy.
Sir, I can jump to the Oprah clip.
No, let's see if the kids can work it out.
Okay,
10 seconds, then go to Oprah.
What's the cutest thing in the world?
Kittens on a cloud, kittens on a cloud.
Soft and silky, drinking milky, purry, soft and furry. Mama!
compromise some nuts, kids?
You mean we could do the bird calls together?
Better go warm up.
Oh, I've been warming up my whole life, sir.
Yeah, keep on reading. My name is Souphie. One more time.
This actually worked out. How did that happen?
I have no clue, but we on our way to being rock stars.
Yeah, about that. This was really fun, but it was a one-shot deal.
What? Come on, Souphie. I mean, you're the hook, the president's daughter, America's angel.
Yeah, that's what they call me. But I'm gonna pass. Too much drama. Besides, I'm going to focus on my art. Ow! Later, cats.
Kitties.
And that wraps up our show. Remember, when you're feeling down, pick up a book. Up with reading. Good night.
And for all you kids at El Camino High School who thought I was weird. How do you like me now, cheerleaders? I'm with the president!
Well, guys, guess why they become rock stars the old-fashioned way?
You just keep practicing and practicing day and night.
It's gonna drive my mom nuts.